To upload videos on YouTube, you want to come into your browser and search for studio.youtube.com. Once you search for that and you're logged into your email address, it will open up the YouTube studio for you. If you're not yet signed up into the YouTube studio or have a YouTube channel, it will prompt you to create one. And to upload the video, you want to click on this arrow that says upload videos, and you want to click on select files. This is the video I want to upload, and I will click on it, and the upload process starts. If you title your video, it's going to caption your video properly, or you might want to add a title which is required. And from here you can add description to tell people about your video. From here you can upload files to add your thumbnail. You can also add the video to playlist from here by clicking on new playlist and creating a playlist. Click on show more to add your video tags from here. And once you're done with this page, you want to click into the next page and come into video element. From here you want to add an end screen. Now you cannot click on any of these end screen, and you see it has your channel link for people to subscribe to your channel and says what kind of video you want to insert here. But if this is your first video, it's going to keep it at best for viewers, but you can just link it to a specific video from any videos on YouTube. And once you're done with that, you click on save and click on next. And from here, that's where YouTube is going to check whether your video contains copyright materials. Once they're done checking your video, you can see for this video it says no issues found, and you want to click on next. From here you're going to see the visibility of your video. You want to keep it on private, or better say you want to schedule it, whichever one that works for you. And you can also make it public or unlist it. Once you're happy with this setting, you want to click on save. And if we go into our content tab there, you can see our videos in here.